Hello. Hello. Kiss. Kiss. Hey, my name is Roy, and this is ZEUS. ZEUS in English. He's 11 months years old, and knows some tricks, so want to show you some of them. Hope you will join it, and I hope we'll do it fine. Right, ZEUS? We'll try to do it in English. Maybe won't make a big success, so I'll do it in Hebrew, maybe in the middle. So, ZEUS, say hello. 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 Yes. Thank you. You want to give me a kiss? Kiss? ZEUS? Kiss? Kiss me? Don't want it? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Come on. Neshika. 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 Good boy. Say hello again. Say hello. Hello. Come on. You want to walk up here? Come here. Come here. Come here. Thank you. Good boy. Come here. Can you make it? Can you make it? Oh, yes, thank you. Can you walk back? Can you walk back? Yeah, make a turn. Make a turn. Another one. Another one. Yeah, third one. Want to do third one? Yes. Yes. Do you like it? No? You don't like it? Yeah, but you like me, right? You like me? Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Come on. Turn your head. Nice. Come on, just turn your head. Your head. Very nice. You want to do it again? Turn around? Yeah, you turn around. Do it again. Turn it again. Come on. Okay. Walk over here. Walk over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Say hello. Hello. Thank you. You're good. Oh, it was empty. Sorry. We're trying now to do the little more complicated thing. Very useful if you just sitting in your, I don't know, sofa watching TV and you have to have this key or something. So come on, ZEUS. Grab it. Please. Bring it back. Thank you. See, it's very useful. Very useful. It's good. Come on. Take it again. Take it again. Give it the key. Give it the key. Thank you very much. You're very kind. Very kind. Give me a kiss. Don't want to give me a kiss? Neshika. Neshika is a kiss in Hebrew. Neshika. Neshika. Thank you. Good boy. Another very useful thing, if you have a ring and you want to do something like this, come on. Come on. Give it. Give it to me. No here. Oops. Try it again. Whoa. Whoa. Take the ring. Take the ring. Put it in your finger. My finger. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. No, not that finger. No. The other finger. Come on. Come on. Put it in your finger. Put it in your finger. Yes. Thank you very much. Good boy. Good. Good. You want to do it again? Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Eat your treat. Come on, finish it. Thank you. Come on. Say it again. Put it here. Put it here. Not between my fingers. In my finger. Come on. Just put it here. This is very accurate, but we don't want to put it here. Try it again. Come on. Maybe third time. Yes. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, it's a little bit. Thank you. Good boy. We'll try the natural training. Let's try it up. Up, up, ZEUS, up, 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 up. Good boy. natural behavior training also. Let's try it again. ZEUS, up, 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 up. Good boy. Nice. Very nice. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Neshika. Yes, you know. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Come on, step up. Come on, step up. Come on, want to step up? Yeah. No. Come on, step up. 1 treat. Step up. No. Come on, 1 treat. Step up. Thank you. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Good. Very nice. Very kind of you. Come on. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Very nice. Give me a kiss. Oh, you want to do it again? He likes it. He started to like it. You want to do it again? You want to do it? Want to do it again? Yeah? Nice. We're going to take you to the circus. Oh, very nice. This is the first time you do this multiply rounds. Very nice. You have to have a trick, right? Of course. Very good. Well, thank you. This was the first demonstration. I'm Roy again. This is ZEUS from Israel, Tel Aviv. It was a pleasure and nice to do it. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.